Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here really today to do an apology video. I was horrified yesterday to discover that the final episode in our series of the Flights of Fancy just wasn't there. I honestly don't know really how that's happened. The only thing that I can think has happened is because my iPad's constantly running out of space. I kind of film 2 videos, upload them, delete them, film 2, upload them, delete them. And obviously I filmed this series several weeks ago, so that I'd filmed the series ahead of selling the kits. And I can only assume that I have deleted the video without uploading it. So I am just so sorry. And obviously, had I realised that before selling the kits, I would have obviously, refilmed it or something. But as I say, I literally only discovered that yesterday when I went to kind of add it to the playlist ready. And I was just horrified to discover that it was missing. And I've checked on my husband's phone, where I obviously have been doing a couple of videos. I've checked on my iPad. No, I've checked, everywhere. And unfortunately, that episode is missing. So I can only apologise so much. I can't even remember, to be perfectly honest, obviously, what was in the episode. So, again, I spent some time yesterday kind of going through the videos, trying to work out what it was that maybe you have missed. I mean, we've made all the pieces separately. It would have been just gluing them into the book. I added some corners here from the, the handmade washi kind of paper. Let me try and zoom out a little bit so that you can kind of see a bit better. So I'm not sure if perhaps you missed that. Literally all I did was tore around the paper and just added a couple of corners there behind my fabric ruffle. And then stuck this down as a pocket and tucked in a tag. Again, I just used some of the fabric, the handmade washi here and, popped that down. Obviously now, there's no point me going through the journal because I don't really know what it was that was missed. So I'm going to have to just go with kind of the original flip through, that I obviously, again, filmed at the end of the series. So the flip through will be coming up in a moment. Yeah. I really am so sorry. I don't know what else to say, really. I can't believe this has happened, and I feel really gutted, to be honest. So I can only apologise so much. As I say, I really don't think that you missed very much. We had obviously made the components and it was just literally, putting them into the journal. And obviously, we were nearly finished and, I can just apologise, that I'm really sorry. So that said, obviously I will upload this apology video now. And I will obviously follow that up with the flip through, which will hopefully cover kind of any bits that possibly, weren't in the series. So again, I just am truly sorry. And yeah, so sorry. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching the series. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I'm so sorry that the last episode is missing. I guess it's a bit like doing a jigsaw puzzle and then, not having the last piece. Although, having said that, you have got the flip through. So maybe it's not the last piece of the jigsaw, but maybe there was just, one piece missing kind of, somewhere kind of near the edge. Yeah, so I really am sorry, but thank you so much for following along, everyone. I hope that you all had a great time if you were making your journal. For those people who did actually buy the kits, the physical kits, I hope you had a wonderful time and that you're happy with your journal. I would love to see how you finish them off because obviously the covers are all going to be completely unique and completely different. So yeah, I hope that you had a lovely time. I hope that anyone who bought the digi kits had a wonderful time making some projects or a journal. And anyone else who was kind of just crafting along or just watching the series, I hope that you all had a really nice time. So really sorry, and the flip through obviously is, I will upload that now at the same time. So thanks very much and apologies again. Thanks, bye.